Hi guys, welcome back to the fifth point of our series where I am explaining the factors you must consider when you are developing your own website. And the fifth point is going to be somewhat technical, but this is the most important point because in this point we are going to cover the website speed test and mobile friendliness of your website. So guys, let's start with the speed. Whenever you visit any of the website, most of the people are using their mobile data in India, and in India we are not using that much speedy internet while accessing any of the websites. So if the speed of the website is very low, they will go back from your website and they will bounce back from your website. So that's why there are some tools available using which you can verify the speed of your website, and the famous tool is Google Page Insight. Okay, so this tool will give you a lot of information about how your website is performing on the desktop as well as on the mobile. So this website is once again very much important, and it is once again free of cost. There is one more tool which you can use, and it is once again free of cost, and it is widely used, is GTmetrix. These two tools are free and they will give you a lot of information where you can improve your website if you want to improve your website speed. The most important, once again, the factor which will affect your speed, the technology of your website, the technology and the programming language which you have used while developing your website, that will make a huge impact. There are many codes available on the website which make them slow. There are many languages available, many HTML5, Angular, many languages are coming. So make sure that you are using the latest language and there is no unwanted code available on your website. The factor which will definitely affect on your website loading speed is your server plan. If you are using a shared server, your website has been parked with another website which are simultaneously working on that particular server. So that might affect somewhat on the website loading speed. Instead, if you prefer to go for some cloud hosting, there might be some extra charges you will have to pay, but I can assure you guys that will the best investment you can do for your website, because your loading speed will change drastically. So once again, your server plan will make a huge impact when you think of your website speed. As you know guys, website consists of many of the images and videos and all the data regarding your company or your product if you are having an e-commerce website. So you must look for whether your products, product images, are optimized or not. Optimize means, so whenever someone visits your website, he will be able to see the same clarity image with a less size in KB or in MB. So that will make an impact. So your images must be optimized when you think of your website. There is one tip I will like to share with you, is whenever you want to post or display the video on your website, please post it on your YouTube channel and give that link on your website, because the YouTube video optimization is way better compared to the server you are using. So if the visitor is coming from any mobile data and if he is not having that much speed, he will be able to see your video without any hassle. So please park your video on the YouTube and display the link on your website. There is one more small thing which you can take care of, and that is the cache memory. What cache memory means, whenever your website gets loaded, some background files have been saved on your server or on your browser. So that is the cache memory. So if you are going to optimize the cache memory, that will definitely improve your loading speed. One more thing, as I previously said, there are many CSS codes available If you go into the details, you will come to know what CSS means. But if you are just a business owner, CSS means some of the codes which are majorly used by the developers to achieve something if that is not already available. So these are the codes which are used combined with the website builders or even in basically programmed websites. So CSS code, unnecessary CSS code will definitely slow down your website. So make sure you remove CSS codes and make your website very clean. There is one more factor that affects is the redirects. So whenever someone visits your website, one query goes to the server and it redirects it to your domain name. So if those redirects are many, that will hamper your website loading speed. And about this you will come to know when you see the Google Page Insights or GTX matrix. So that's why these tools are way more important. So remove CSS, optimize your cache memory, and minimize the redirects from your website. Once again, optimize your images and your loading speed will get improved. The main point I'm going to talk about is mobile friendliness, but that you have to consider when you are developing your website. So around 80% of the people are visiting your website from the mobile. So make sure your website is mobile friendly and it is loading in any of the browsers. Test your website on all the browsers available like Opera, Mozilla, Chrome, even Safari if you are using iPhone. So test your website on all these browsers and make sure it is loading very fast and it is mobile friendly, as I said. So if you find any value in this video, please share with your friends. The next video I will come up with a very new subject regarding the digital marketing or website development. So stay tuned to our channel. Thank you so much. Take care.